back to my channel, and for today's video, we will be reviewing the GlowE vitamins from Love Supplements. Ayan siya, guys. May kasama pa ito siyang shirt. See? Diba? Bongga! Ayan, nag-glow talaga ako, guys, pag maroon yung color or cool tone colors, diba? Ito yung kanyang box. It is by Luxe Organix. Health from within. These are the ingredients of the vitamin. The alpha tocopherol. I'm not really 100% sure sa pronunciation. The alpha tocopherol acetate plus pine bark extract plus vitamin A. These ingredients are really good for your skin, especially if you're acne prone like me. If you have sensitive skin like me, kung gusto nyo maging glowing, edi eto na yung para sa inyo. Ito yung kanyang mga ingredients. Natural vitamin E, pine bark extract, vitamin A, zinc, manganese. Supports clear and glowing skin. Ang ganda ng kanyang box. It's so sturdy. Ang tigas. So, let's open it and see what's inside. Ayan! So, ito yung i-review natin na product for today. And we also have skincare from Luxe Organix, which is for acne-prone skin. Let's delve into that later. First, magsa-start muna tayo dito sa GlowE. Ang nakalagay dito sa harapan is the same lang doon sa kanyang box. It supports clear and glowing skin. This retails for 555 pesos and mabibili nyo lang to siya sa Watson stores only. Wala na ibang stores na mabibilhan nyo to, only Watsons, or mabili siya sa online sa Watson stores. So, it has 30 capsules, and as you can see, naubos ko na yung 20 capsules. 8 capsules na lang natitira. I will buy this again, guys, kasi ang ganda ng kanyang binibigay sa aking skin. Sasabihin ko muna sa inyo ang benefits ng pag-take ng vitamin na to. Number 1, it fights acne. Ito yung number 1 ko na problema. Lately, konti na lang yung tumutubo na acne sa face ko. Konti lang yung mga active acne. Ang problema ko actually, guys, is mga acne marks. Pero pag hawakan nyo yung face ko, is makinis siya. But ang daming acne marks, and yun yung problema ko now. But if you'll touch my face, blank canvas siya actually. Ang dami lang marka. Pero yung mga bumps ko, konti na lang talaga. Kasi konti lang naman yung acne ko. But the marks, doon ako nahihirapan tanggalin. It supports healthy and glowing skin. Ayan, glowing ba ako? Glowing, char. It prevents future breakout. So, eto guys, napansin ko ito. Kasi normally dati, lagi ako nagkaka-breakout. I always breakout kasi lagi akong stress, lagi akong late matulog. Usually, pag mag-breakout ako, like as in mga 5 pimples and pataas. Ayan, so ang dami ko talagang acne marks dahil doon. But now, since taking this vitamin, nagkaka-breakout na ako mga 1, 2, or 3 pimples lang. Ayan. Nag-ano siya guys, nag-lessen. Pero don't expect na as in wala talaga. It takes time guys para mag-heal ang acne. Okay? Ito siya guys. Soft gel. Ganyan siya and malaki siya guys. It's actually big. Malaki siya. It's not your ordinary capsule. Mas malaki siya sa normal na capsule, and if you're scared na malaki, madali naman siyang malunok kasi soft gel siya. Hindi siya tablet. Ang hirap lunukin. Pero mabilis siya mag-glide down sa throat nyo. Yung ingredients niya guys, na natural vitamin E, pine bark extract, vitamin A, zinc, and manganese. These are all needed to have a good and clear and healthy skin. So each soft gel contains the alpha tocopherol acetate 200 IU. This is the vitamin E, pine bark extract 75 mg, vitamin A 5.5 mg. So ang kanyang dosage guys, you only need to take 1 capsule once a day before or after meal. Pero ang ginagawa ko is after meal at night. Pero pwede rin siya in the morning. Guys, itong the alpha tocopherol acetate is a strong antioxidant that helps in the prevention and the treatment of vitamin E deficiency. Huwag niyo siyang itatago sa mainit na lugar and protect it from the direct sunlight, heat, and moisture. So, ilalagay niyo lang siya sa cool place. Hindi naman kailangan aircon, basta yung hindi natatamaan ng araw para hindi masisira yung kanyang effectiveness. This product is not recommended use for pregnant or children. So, basically, pwede nyo itong matake if you're 18 and up. Ayan. And if you're taking medications, make sure to consult your physician first before taking this product. And do not exceed the recommended dosage. Dapat 1 capsule a day lang. Discontinue use pag may sakit kayo. Ayan, so the other ingredients, I'll just flash it here kasi ang dami niya. This is made in Taiwan. I will insert a picture here of my skin condition like a month ago para makikita nyo. And I will also insert a new picture din of my skin condition now, currently. Ayan, ilalagay ko lang dito. And as you can see, there is an improvement. Although, hindi naman talaga na-clear yung acne marks ko, pero yung pimples ko is nag-flat na siya. So, wala na akong pimples, pimple marks na talaga yung problema. Huwag kayong magmadali guys sa effect. It takes time. Hindi siya agad-agad na mag-clear talaga yung skin nyo. Mag-take lang kayo guys na mag-take nito. Hindi naman nakaka-guarantee ng isang box is mag-clear na and mag-glow yung skin nyo. Dapat sipag at syaga lang sa pag-inom and consistency. Always, para mas lalo effect itong GlowE vitamin guys, pwede nyo siya pagsabayin ng skincare nyo for acne or glowing skin. Or pwede nyo rin gamitin itong skincare from Luxe Organix, which is these miracle solutions. Ito sila. Honestly, wala ko pa to sila nagamit. Kasi, meron pa akong ginagamit guys for my derma. And, I'm not sure kasi if pwede ko to siya gamitin and I haven't consulted my derma yet. But, ang dami namang magagandang reviews nito. And I'm actually really excited to try this. Kasi, I'm really curious. Okay, so these are the products na meron sila. Miracle Solutions Acne Derm Gel Cleanser. It has AHA, BHA, niacinamide, and tea tree extract. So, basically, lahat sila. Yun yung ingredients. And it is paraben-free and dermatologically tested. So, they have a gel cleanser, an exfoliating toner, and a emulsion. So, basically, these 3 products are targeted for acne. And so, if you really want to try and remove your pimples, try this. And I'm also excited to try this also. So, yun lang naman guys for this video. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out GlowE Vitamins by Love Supplements on Watsons stores nationwide and Watsons stores online. Just try it. Affordable naman yung price niya. For 555 pesos is meron na kayong 30 soft gels of GlowE vitamin and 1 soft gel a day. So basically, 555 is good for 1 month. Let's do the math na lang para mas ma-persuade ko kayo. So basically, if you divide 555 by 30 soft gels, it's 18.5 per piece. So, imagine nyo na lang guys, nagbabayad kayo ng at least 20 pesos a day for your skin naman, for your health. So, hindi naman siya kawalan. 20 pesos yun. Parang pamasahe lang yun siya guys. Tapos, i-intake nyo lang. It is for the goodness of your skin. So, wala namang masamang mag-try. You can try on 1 box. And if ayaw nyo, di wag. But if you want to continue it, buy lang kayo again sa Watsons and promise guys, ang ganda niya. Dati guys, di ako mahilig uminom ng mga Gluta Capsules, mga capsules. Pero yung once nakatry ako, hindi na ako nakakahinto kasi hindi complete yung araw pag wala akong naiinom. Kasi feel ko hindi na complete yung routine ko. Lagi na akong uminom ngayon ng mga capsules. So, currently, I'm taking a break from my other Gluta Capsules and ito muna yung tinake ko. Don't forget to check out GlowE Vitamins by Love Supplements on Watsons stores nationwide and also online. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, my Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram, and my TikTok at Erica_Lalata. So, yun lang naman guys. See you on my next videos. Bye!